Hey guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. My name is Danielle and today we are going to talk all things ketogenic diet, and we're gonna lay some realness on you. I'm also gonna give you an update of, I wanna say today is 4 days post ending the egg fast and what happened since I did that. So if you guys are interested in seeing all those things, go ahead and stay tuned. Hey friends, happy Sunday. Welcome back. So I hope you guys had a fabulous holiday and you guys enjoyed all the family time and did all the things. Mine was okay. It was very, very hot here and I ended up getting sick. So I ended up coming home for a little bit and I went back to my mom's later on. That's the dog. It's really early. It's barely 7, I think. And all my kids are sleeping, but the dog isn't. So it's life. So anyways, yeah, it was okay. Starting probably Thursday night and then Friday and Saturday, I got the keto flu. I'm starting to feel like a little bit better this morning. I was so bummed. I was like, maybe it's because I'm not eating eggs anymore or whatever, but no, it's the keto flu. I had all the symptoms, so I ended up going to pick up some pink salt. I've been like kind of sucking on the little crystals, you know, and I've been feeling better, but I felt terrible. And that just reiterates the fact that I have been doing horrible in the month of June. People wanted to know, like, for me to get on the scale this morning and like how I'm doing or whatever. So I got on the scale right now and it said I was 177 on the head. So I believe I was 178 point something last week. And now I'm 178 on the head. So trending down, looking good. I'm still eating. I went back to eating normal foods. But like I said, I am really cleaning up around the edges with my eating. I've decided to really lay off the wraps. And I've decided, because I was eating them maybe, twice a day, sometimes more. And twice a day, 7 days a week. So I'm thinking I'm going to cut back on those. I'll still have them, but occasionally. I really want to focus on filling up on, on fats and meats and vegetables. Like I said, take it real basic. And it's more of the treats, the, sugar-free candy or the wraps or stuff that has a ton of carbs, but it has like net carbs and then, you know what I mean? But it's like fiber and I don't know, when it's broken down all crazy like that, it's when it gets kind of tricky for me. But I think that has to be it. And I have to definitely pay more attention to legit tracking things, especially with those carby type foods. I'm not going to do it for the vegetables. I've never done it for the vegetables, but definitely I need to be a little bit more strict. I got very lenient and lazy, and that I gained 10 pounds in the month of June. Didn't even see it coming. So I really want to focus on getting right back to my baseline. I did not hit the gym this week. I didn't go to the gym when I was on the egg fast because, like I said, I was afraid to do it. And then I felt terrible. If you guys have ever had the keto flu, it is the worst feeling ever. It's like I had that horrible headache to where like it was just pulsating. I was like real tired and I was nauseous and I was like achy. It was terrible. It was all the things. It's like the actual flu. So I just took it easy. But today I said I'm waking up. I feel really, really good. I'm about to have my coffee. I'm going to start adding in legit bulletproof coffee. So I'm going to continue on with my perfect keto MCT oil. I'm going to go to the store today and get some Carrie's butter. I'm going to start making that my first meal of the day. Just to, like I said, I'm getting really back to basics. And yeah, I have a really great video coming out tomorrow. It's on the, like a keto barbecue video. You guys are going to love it. It's really good. But yeah, so like I said, I was so shocked and disappointed in myself because the whole month of June, I had this like, oh, okay, I'll jump right back on tomorrow. Oh, okay. And I did. I jumped right back on tomorrow, but it was a few days later and I was jumping right back off to jump right back on. So, I mean, like I said, it's you're able to cheat. It was just, I was doing it in abundance and it just didn't do good for me. And not only that, like that I was doing it in abundance, but I wasn't doing the best job at being keto too. So, you know, even though I hate jumping on the scale, it definitely was a eye-opener for me. Leo had asked, he's like, do you think it's just muscle? I said, I didn't gain no 10 pounds of muscle. You know, if it was like 2-3 pounds, I would have been like, that's probably my muscle. But 10 is quite a lot for, you know, that leap. So especially now that I'm taking it off, you know. So my plans this week is to stay pretty clean. Not clean, I'll never be clean keto, I ain't got that type of money. But to stay pretty basic keto, started introducing a lot more fats back into my diet. Really just, I'm excited. I'm really excited to hit back the gym. I have some really great recipes that I want to try out this week, and if they turn out good, I will share them with you guys. Just to really just bring it on home. I have a lot of stuff going on in July. One big thing in particular that I cannot discuss because of video, but we have a lot of good things coming up this month, and I really want to look my best for them. But we had a really busy month. Like the kids are all doctor's appointments every week until the end of the month, just because they're getting back to school next month. So yeah, but I think that's pretty much it. I've been really trying to get lots of water in. That's super important, guys, so make sure you're drinking lots of water. I've been doing this like mix of pink Himalayan salt and light salt for the potassium and the magnesium and the sodium and all that stuff. So I'm still taking apple cider vinegar tablets. I got a lot of questions on apple cider vinegar tablets. I think they work just as well. You do have to take quite a few of them. You should take, they're recommending, I think, 2 to 3 times a day. I take 3 twice a day just for the bloat, and I think they're great. You still smell the vinegar when you open the jar, but you don't have to drink it, and it just works a lot better for me. I just couldn't keep doing the drink. It was just, I just didn't want to do it anymore. It was terrible. So I've been doing those, the sodium, or the potassium and magnesium supplements, still taking them, and my multivitamin. Still drinking, like I said, I've been making this Keto Aid, I guess. Like I said, it was the light salt, the pink salt, and then I've been squeezing fresh lemon juice in there with a little bit of liquid stevia. And I don't know if it's a liquid stevia. I don't think it's stevia brand. No, it's a Sweet Drops brand. I got it at Whole Foods. I'm not even gonna tell you what that costs. But yeah, so I got all those things doing. I'm really just refocused. You know what? I think that jump on the scale really just like, I was like, holy shit, what happened, you know? And then I was like really upset with myself too. I'm not gonna lie, I got really down. And that was one of another reasons why I didn't want to have a scale, because I was like, what the hell? And then I felt like such a hypocrite. So I'm like, okay guys, you're doing great, look at this. And then I was like, holy shit, I'm gaining weight and these people are listening to me, you know? So I'm sorry if I've offended or let any of you guys down by that. It was such, it came out of nowhere. I could not believe it. So I'm very sorry, but I'm going to kick ass this month. We're going to get that weight off plus some, and we're going to get right back on track. Definitely. So yeah, I definitely make sure tomorrow you come back and check out that video. If you guys are into barbecuing, which I know a lot of people are because it is summer, I have the best carb-free sweet heat rub on that recipe. So good. Also, if you guys were interested in checking out those cactus salad that I make, or how I eat cactus, I have the cactus salad and I have a dessert. Didn't come out as planned, but it was really good nonetheless. So, but I'm gonna go ahead, I'm probably gonna wrap this video up. I wanna know how you guys are doing. How is the whole holiday treating you? I know a lot of people are saying that they're really interested in trying the egg fast. If you guys are, I was actually thinking about doing a group one and giving like the beef and butter fast a try towards the ends of the month, like maybe that last Monday of the month. I think it's like 20 something, and do it like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we'll share results for it on Friday. Also, since you guys stuck around so long, I wanted to tell you something. See, this is the kicker. This is what I do it at the end. I'm gonna do a giveaway. So if you guys have been with me for a minute, you've probably seen in my last video, I shared the egg cooker. It does hard-boiled eggs. You can do poached eggs, scrambled eggs, omelets, all types of stuff. Super convenient. You just add water, hit the switch, boom, it steams your stuff. It's amazing. It's the best little device to have, especially when I was doing the egg fast. It saved me so much time. So I want to give you guys one. So this giveaway is going to last for 7 days. So I'll announce the winner next Saturday. And what I want to know from you guys, well, first off, the rules are you got to be subscribed, because I'll check. If you're on Instagram, go follow me over there. It's down below. But I want you guys to make sure you like this video. But I want to know, this is what I want to know. I want to know what your favorite keto account to follow on social media is. If it's on Facebook, if it's on Instagram, if it's on YouTube, I want to know. Tag them down below or list them down below. I'll check them out. I feel like it's really great to have more options. I can tell you a few of mine if you guys haven't heard. I like Michelle Alvarez she goes under Keto Glam on Instagram. Absolutely love her. I love Michelle Rock. She's one of like the staples for me. Who else? I love Countess of Low Carb. She's phenomenal. Free to Family. She's also phenomenal. And I have one more that I really, really like to watch. What is her name? Catherine Michelle. I like to watch her too. She's really good. So those are mine. If you guys have not, I'll list everybody down below. You guys can check them out. And they're on social media too. So, or on Instagram if you guys are not following them over there. But they're really good, and they give you a fresh insight and maybe a different perspective to what maybe I can give you, or maybe what you maybe have seen in the past. So, but don't forget, leave your favorite account. Even if it's one of my accounts that if I've said, go ahead and still put them down below. I still like to see, you know, what everybody's watching. But all right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'll announce it next week on our video. And have a great week, guys. Have a great week. Stay positive. Keep the momentum going. We already got the first weekend down, and we're gonna kick butt 1 week into July, honey. We going to do so damn good. But I love you guys, and I will check you on the next video. Bye, guys.